We invest so much time in the perfect astrophoto, and we want to show it to the world. And we all know the best way how to display it is through a screen, because then it glows, like the stars are glowing in the sky. But actually printing it on paper kind of sucks, because it doesn't glow. And beside that, because it's mostly black, it reflects. So is there a perfect way for an astrophoto book? I think I found one, and I want to really show it to you. Hang on. Hey, this is View into Space. I'm Sascha from Switzerland, so grüezi miteinander, and thanks for watching my channel. So before we start, some personal note. You might have wondered why I haven't published anything the last 2 weeks. Well, I just got this famous little bug. And as I have tested it now, I can definitely tell you, not recommended. That said, let's get started. So about a month ago, I got approached by a Swiss photo printing service to test their new professional photo book. So full disclosure, I got a quite generous voucher from them, but actually they did not expect me to do now a video. All they wanted is my honest feedback. But I found their product so amazingly fitting for astrophotography that I want to show it to you. And yes, I know most of you are from the US, so why should you be interested in a Swiss photo service? From my point of view, what's available in Switzerland is also available to you. There will be some provider in the US who will provide exactly the same things to you. It's more about the ideas, which I really like. So this is the book. It only has 10 pages, even it's quite thick, and you will see why. And you might already realize when I show you the front cover that it reflects like glass. And that's the first absolutely cool feature. So what they offer is a title page out of acrylic glass. So I show you here also in the photo, it's quite thick. And so it's this acrylic glass in front of the photo, and it gives it really a little bit this glow back, this extra brilliance. And it just invites to look at the book. So I found this an absolutely cool idea. Obviously it would be even better if it would be backlit, but well, something for the future. So when I open the book now, the next thing you will realize is that the pages are extremely thick. They call it XL pages. And what that does is that the pictures are staying completely flat. And I think again that's for our purpose something that's really important, because the reflection gets most annoying if the page is actually not plain, because then the reflection comes in from different sides. If I have a complete plane, then I can actually level my book in a way that it doesn't disturb me. So besides that, it's really a great feeling to hold these extremely thick pages. It really makes the viewing a different experience. Now the last thing I want to show you about this book is, and I think you can see it here, you can do the pictures over 2 pages, and you see it's completely plain. Now you will say that's no surprise, because this is the middle of the book, and I did it in the middle of the book. But the cool part is that this is actually the case for each and every page combination. So I go now one further, it's again plain, and it can be one complete photo. And this is for each, even from the last one. You see, if you put it, it's plain. And I think that's really something cool, because a lot of time it's really about size. It's really about showing something all over the pages. And so that you can do that uninterrupted on each and every page, I think that's really something unique. So that's it already For people in Europe, Switzerland, I will put the link in the description below of Sol Digital. For everybody in the US, I think you will find, if you're interested, a provider on your side of the ocean who provides you the same. But I really like my first photo book, and I hope that was kind of interesting to you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, press the subscribe button below. There's a lot of cool content which I will just shoot within the next few weeks. See you soon, and clear skies.